Good morning, everybody. Buddy underneath the MGB this morning. What I'm going to try to work on the next couple days is getting this exhaust from here out the back of the car. So what I've got to do is come up with this fits perfect. So I could use this to connect. I'm going to have to put probably a 45 right here, or maybe something a little less. I've got to have a exhaust coming out here and to go straight here. If you look and see, this is a hanger right here. So I've got to make, I'm going to put a little strap between here and here just to keep this up. But I'm also going to have to run, I'm going to have the pipe come out, come over, and then go up and over again. So I'll get two pieces and have it run straight down through here, out the exhaust. I'm waiting for the muffler, but you can see this is the new flooring I put in, the new floorboard, and I did seal it really nice around the outside, and I put a coat of paint on it. So this morning, if you look closely, these MGBs were made with right-hand drive and left-hand drive, and they can see where they have this can be switched over to this side if you had a right-hand drive MG in England, and this is for the US market. So what I'm going to do is drill two little holes in here and put some sheet metal screws just to keep this from up away, keep it as high as possible, which is pretty high right now, but I just want to put a strap on it. So I'll do that, then I'm going to figure out how I can adapt all this to fit together. I may have to, I didn't order any tubes that are actually that are bent. I don't think I'll be able to bend them myself, so I got to figure out how I can do that, because I really don't have any tools for bending this metal. I can heat it up, but bending it without getting a kink in it, it's tough. So we'll try that, and I'll let you know how it turns out. Thanks for joining me. Subscribe, like, and share. Appreciate it. Good morning, everybody. Buddy here at Bert's Garage. Working on the exhaust today. I got some bad news. My muffler was damaged from Amazon, so they're going to let me know when they can get another one out. So in the meantime, I can start putting the exhaust back together. I want to show you, I'm not sure, I've never seen it. This holds the exhaust on the back of the MGB. And it's just amazing to see how many parts that it takes to put this thing together. I don't know why they couldn't make it simpler, but it's got unbelievable number of parts. So we're going to put it together. Also, it got the motor mounts for the transmission, and also there's a little tension thing for the motor mounts, and I got those also, so I'll be putting those on today also. So we're going to try to get everything at least lined up, so when the muffler comes in, I can put it together. We'll try to do some welding today just to see how it does. And as you can as you can see, I got the exhaust. I think this will work perfect coming out of my new exhaust and coming over. So if I can get it, so I can get this thing to show you. If I can get the exhaust to come over here and go straight from this new hanger I put up, I think we'll be good to go. And then I'll just have to do a straight shot with the muffler between the hanger here and the back of the car. So bear with me, I'll let you know how it turns out. and stay tuned. Thanks. Well, yesterday I didn't get a chance to get to the welding part, but when I did, I took the cross member out right here. This is the cross member, and to replace the mounts for the transmission. These are new mounts, and these are the old ones. When I ordered the mounts, I only ordered 2. I didn't order the middle one, so that's on order now, so I'm not going to put this back in. But if you look closely, you'll see this thing was completely full of mud and stuff. It was, I don't know where the car was, in a creek or whatever, but it was totally full, and it's this terrible condition. The old shocks were, the old bushings, motor mounts were just totally wrecked. So I'm going to finish cleaning these up today, then I'm going to do some welding, but I want to get this nice and clean, so when the bushings, there's 2 little bushings right there that I want to put in before I put this thing back together. It's not worth doing it halfway. So that's what I'm going to be working on. Then I'm going to work on I also was able to get the rear hanger assembly in. So when we get the exhaust on there, so I'm going to work on the exhaust a little bit. And I had to reorder the muffler since it got damaged. So I'll have be able to get some of it started today at least. I want to test the welding, see if it's going to work. If it's not going to work, I'm going to try. I have to go to a plan B. So that's where we stand. I'll give you a little update this afternoon. Thanks. Good morning, everybody. Buddy here from Bert's Garage. I want to give you a little update. Got the rear hanger on. Got the muffler, but I'm going to send it back. It was a resonator, and it was a straight pipe, and I believe it's going to be way too loud, so I decided to hold off on it and to send it back. I did get all the exhaust and all the holders in place. I'm still waiting for the two seals to put the cross member back on, but I have everything ready to go. I just don't want to put the wrong muffler. I really don't want, I like to have one with a little sound, but I don't want an extremely loud one. So I think that resonator with a straight pipe would have been way too much. So we're going to pass on that. And so I'm waiting for that this week. I do have my cross member here has been redone. Nice and clean. Got new bushings here. Waiting for these are new bushings also on the outside. I'm waiting for the bushings for the inside, and then I could put that back together. Then I could really put the exhaust, get the exhaust finished so we can get it cranked. I'm hopefully have this done this week, so by next week we'll be able to get it done. But if you see here, I did get the air filters back on, the original air filters. I do have a new fuel regulator that's adjustable with a gauge, so we'll be able to test that out. It looks really good. The engine turned out really nice. If it runs good, we're going to be great. But it seems to be running strong. That's all I can say about that until we really get it running. I'm still going to do the louvers for the hood, but I'm going to go ahead and put the hood on so I can see what it looks like. But I've got to build a press to do that, which is going to be interesting. But we'll see. It looks like to me my car has come down. I'm going to have to get that adjusted today. It looks like it's come off that one side, so we'll get that done a little later, and we'll go from there. But that's where we stand this week. I did get, I want to show you the interior. It's really coming along really nice. I got the nuts back on the wipers. I got all the nuts on the wiper so I can put the wipers back on. All the carpets in. Also, this is a new piece of upholstery I redid. The whole back piece. It's got a little dirt on it, but this is what the door cards are going to look like. All the inside will have all this new leather, and I'm thinking about putting building a stainless steel channel that'll just run on the top of that. I have not been able to find out where I could find one of those off of an original one, but I do have both door cards over in my garage. I got those cut yesterday, so it's a matter of waiting for my foam backing to put all this together, and then the car will start coming together. And clean up the inside just a little bit. So that's where we stand right now, and I'll give you an update next week when we get this thing hopefully down with the exhaust on it and running. Thanks for joining me, and share, like, and subscribe. Certainly would appreciate it. It helps a lot with the YouTube channel. Thanks.